Now, uVusumuzi Cat Matlala is appealing for bail to the same Johannesburg High Court that granted Ukatiso Molefe his 400,000 rand bail. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, the controversial businessman uVusi Cat Matlala has been set to appear in the Johannesburg High Court on Monday in a renewed bid for bail. Now, this follows after the Alexandra Magistrate Court denied him bail, saying that he is a flight risk and a danger to society. Now, if you would remember, the Alexandra Magistrate Court was the same court that denied Ukatiso Molefe his bail, saying that he is also a flight risk and a danger to society. However, the NPA has confirmed that it will oppose Matlala's application to appeal the decision that was taken by the Alexandra Magistrate Court. uVusumuzi Cat Matlala is facing serious multiple charges, including attempted murder and conspiracy to commit murder. And both of these charges are related to an alleged plot to assassinate his ex-girlfriend, uTebogo Thobejane. uVusumuzi Cat Matlala is also involved in corruption and fraud schemes involving government tenders. Now, investigations also revealed that even while he was incarcerated, uMatlala maintained influence over law enforcement through illicit means, such as smuggling a cell phone into prison. Now, the outcome of this latest bail application is expected to have significant implications for both Matlala's legal proceedings and ongoing investigations into corruption within South Africa's public and private sector. Now, keep in mind ukuthi Ukatiso Molefe, he was also denied bail by the Alexandra Magistrate Court, and then he appealed that decision at Johannesburg High Court. That's where he was granted the bail of 400,000 rands. uVusi Cat Matlala was also denied his bail with Alexandra Magistrate Court, and he is now appealing to the Johannesburg High Court. What are your thoughts? And I also want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed on the channel and everyone following the page, liking the page, and sharing these videos. And I know abantu abaningi, they have not yet subscribed. So if you are one of those people, please do subscribe on the channel so that we can grow even bigger. I thank you.